everyone. This is Miss Bishop bringing you the Just Words Rule of the Day. Today we are going to learn how to know if you need to double the last letter when adding a suffix using the 1-1-1 rule. All right, first we have to ask ourselves a few questions. Do I know the difference between a vowel suffix and a consonant suffix? Well, we're going to see. The reason that these are labeled as a vowel suffix is because if you guess because they begin with a vowel, you are correct. The reason these are labeled as a consonant suffix, if you said because they begin with a consonant, again, you are correct. So today we're going to determine whether we need to double the letter when adding a suffix, but we have to ask ourselves the 1-1-1 rule. In review, the 1-1-1 rule is, does it have one vowel? Does it have one closed syllable? And is there only one consonant after the vowel? So the first word we're going to look at is drip. All right, D-R-I-P. So we're going to ask ourselves, does it have one vowel? Yes, drip only has one vowel. Is it a closed syllable? Yes, drip is a closed syllable because there is a consonant immediately after the vowel making the door closed, making this a closed syllable. So now, if we were going to make this word dripped, we would be getting a vowel suffix. If you are adding a vowel suffix, you are going, and it meets the 1-1-1 rule, you will double the P. So if I was making this word dripped, then I would spell it D-R-I-P-P-E-D. All right, because I added a vowel suffix, I doubled the P because it was a 1-1-1 rule word. All right, now I'm taking the vowel suffix away and I am going to add a consonant suffix to the same word. If I was adding a consonant suffix to the same word, I would not double the P. You only double the last letter when it meets the 1-1-1 rule if you are adding a vowel suffix. All right, let's look at the next word, shift. The first thing that we have to ask ourselves is, does this word meet the 1-1-1 rule? Does it have one vowel? Yes, it has one vowel. Is it a closed syllable? Yes, there are one or more consonants immediately after the vowel making shift a closed syllable. Does it only have one consonant after the vowel? No, shift has two consonants immediately following the vowel I, so you would not double the T adding a vowel suffix. So if we were going to make this word shifted, it would stay the same and it would still be S-H-I-F-T-E-D. All right, let's look at shop. All right, if I wanted to add an S to shops, I have to ask myself, is the S a vowel suffix or a consonant suffix? This is a consonant suffix. That in itself tells me that I'm not, because I'm adding a consonant suffix, I will not double the P. But just for, we're going to see, does shop follow the 1-1-1 rule if I am going to add a vowel suffix? Does it have one vowel? Yes. Is it a closed syllable? Yes, there is a consonant immediately after the vowel making shop a closed syllable. Is there only one consonant after the vowel? Yes, there is only the letter P, which is a consonant, immediately after the vowel O. So this word meets the 1-1-1 rule. But if you are adding a consonant suffix, it stays the same, S-H-O-P-S. However, if you are adding a vowel suffix, and we've already determined that shop is a 1-1-1 word, we have to double the P. So this becomes S-H-O-P-P-I-N-G. All right, the last word we're going to look at today is flunk. All right, if I was going to add the vowel suffix ing to flunking, would I have to double the K? We have to ask ourselves, is flunk a 111 word? Does it have one vowel? Yes. Flunk only has one vowel, which is U. Is it a closed syllable? Yes. Flunk is a closed syllable because the U is followed by an N and a K, which are consonants, making this word a closed syllable. Is there only one consonant after the vowel? No, there are two consonants, N and K, immediately after the vowel U. So if I'm adding a vowel suffix, it stays the same. If I add a consonant suffix, it stays the same. So in review, today we determined that if a word meets the 111 rule and you are adding a vowel suffix, you double the last letter. So the two words that we learned today that we would double the last letter was drip and shop because they met the 111 rule. We did not double the last letter in shift or flunk because they did not meet the 111 rule because it had more than one consonant immediately after the vowel. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Just Words segment for this Wednesday. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Thank you and have a great day.